So if you've ever wondered what you can eat as an alkaline vegan, stay tuned and watch this video, as well as a high raw alkaline vegan. I've been experimenting a whole lot with my liver, and I really just want to decrease the amount of cooked foods that I have in a day. So let's get started and see what we're eating today. So for breakfast, what I'm having is just this papaya, this beautiful papaya with this melon, this honeydew melon, and we also have some oranges down there, some tangerines, whatever you want to call it. Where I'm gonna juice that, and I'm also gonna just eat these two by themselves while also adding some key lime to that juice, and then having also some dates down there that you can't see here. Let me just and boom, I'm also gonna have some of these dates as well, probably like 4 or 5, in addition to all of this. So what I just had right now was honeydew melon, papaya, dates, tangerines or oranges or whatever you want to call them, with some key limes. And man, that was so damn delicious. Oh my God, that juice with the lime, so fire. I'm gonna give it like an hour, take a shower, you feel me, do some breath work, and then I'm gonna go to the park and get some calisthenics in. Ever since my trip to Ecuador, I need to be in nature because I just love it, you know, and there's so many benefits to being in nature. So I'm gonna try to get me some nature today and do a little bit of exploring as I show you guys also what I'm eating in the day. Amino acids are pretty much protein, and protein is not something that you go and get. Protein is essentially something that's just formed within the body. If you guys haven't seen my little spill on protein, make sure you check that out. It's the video a little before this. Currently right now working on building a whole lot more muscle than what I already have. I used to be a twig. Now, you know, I got a little bit of muscle on me, but now I'm trying to take it to the next level and see how much muscle that I can build. Right now, you know, what I did for today, just did 4 sets of everything slow. So I'm really just doing tempos, you feel me? So I'm not actually moving this slow. I'm just moving it slow intentionally so that way I can be able to put more time under tension. And what I'm doing is 4 sets of 4 3-second pull-ups going up, 3 seconds going down, and then I'm also doing 4 chin-ups as well as 15 push-ups afterwards, 10 dips, and then 15 squats. And that's what I did for today. It got me a little pump. If you ever struggled with going alkaline and you just could not make it work, make sure you send me a DM on Instagram, or if not, click the consultation link that's at the very top right of this video and book a consultation so that way we can see how we can get you right, go alkaline, lose some weight, and get fit within a short amount of time. There's certain foundations that I've been applying for a very, very long period of time. I've been doing this for 6 years, and I've managed to put on muscle, stay fit, as well as thrive in different environments so that way I stay consistent while also doing it pretty affordably as well. I usually come to the park with some kind of drink with me, either that be coconut water, some fruit juice, or I'll drink it beforehand. But this time I didn't have any with me, so I just went to go buy me some black cherry juice from Sprouts, and they definitely overcharged me. But anyways, I'm about to go home and make some dinner and then give you guys some tips on how to shop and make all of this very affordable. If you've ever wondered how to save money as an alkaline vegan, make sure you pay attention to this part, because this right here has helped me go from spending $200 every week on groceries to spending a little under $50 a week on groceries 4 years ago when I first started this journey. What you're looking at right now is a clip of me in downtown Los Angeles going to this same exact wholesale warehouse, wholesale produce location in LA, where I have been buying very cheap produce for years. For years, y'all. I've been going to the same place. In total, all I spent was $108, and I literally still have this food, and it's been about 2 weeks since shooting this specific video. I know it ain't much on the plate no more, but at this point, I mean, filming a video, yo, you know what was fire. Cause I done forgot to tell y'all how it looks, how it tastes, all of that. But now I'm doing it. So look, it's fire, y'all. It's fire. It's little, it's fire, y'all. But this right here is balanced. Okay? We got the zucchini with the pasta, you feel me? We got the salad, right? We got the hemp seeds on the salad. We also got the squash, and that's really all you need. And honestly, I'm feeling so damn good right now. So good. Besides the fact of the meal that I just had being really, really amazing in my digestive system, really thanking me for eating that meal, if you want to be able to save a whole lot more money and be able to really thrive on this lifestyle as a vegan, alkaline vegan, whatever it is, raw vegan, whatever it is, you want to be able to save money as much as possible. Check out this video right here, and this video will walk you through how to really save money in any city that is very expensive. But other than that, like the video, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for your support. Peace.